Hello again, it's Noob, and in a previous video I showed off a new tool that I had designed. I don't think it's been done before, which is a tool for picking tubular locks. And you might say, but there are ones already available, Noob, and you'd be right, there are excellent ones actually. This is an excellent one made by Sparrows. And this one here is designed for picking tubular locks which have one of those little notches in for the keys to tension against, just there. And this would sit in that notch and provide tension on the core. That wouldn't work so much with with locks like this cheap Chinese disc brake, and this other lock's rolling away. Stop. Where again, there's nothing for it to tension against there. It just wouldn't work. So this tool was designed to pick just this type of lock. If you look in here, you'll see that there is an inner ring at the bottom. This foot engages with that inner ring like that. You can tension then across, you can access all the pins, and you should be able to pick that lock fully open. But this is a cheap Chinese disc brake, not too much of a challenge. What about something a bit more expensive? What about something like this very beautiful Meroni chain lock? And if we get that and open up, there we go, beautiful. So yeah, if we look at the core though, you'll see that it is just the same. Look, there is no place of tension on the center piece, and there is an inner ring to tension against. So let's throw this in a vise and see if we can't pick a more expensive, high security lock with a tubular core. Right, so we are in camera shot now, and I'm going to just put the tension tool in, and you'll see how it already is turning the core by tensioning it. That's exactly what we want. And let's have a go at picking this. So pin 5, 6, 7, 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4 little core rotation, 5 seems set, 6 nothing, 7 nothing. Let's try and get pin 1. Little click on pin 1. Nothing needed on pin 2. Little click on 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 little click, 2 little click, nothing on 3, nothing 4, nothing 5, little click on 6, and I think, yep, we moved it a position, it's open. So I'm not going to open it all the way because, quite honestly, opening up a lock like this, you need to open it, I think, 4 positions, and that's just going to take much more time than is required. Clearly, with a tool like this, you can still put it in, find the next tension position, and yep, you can keep going. So just find the binding pin and keep picking away at it. That's a pick. There you go. There's another click. So yeah, I mean, this tool is going great guns for me at the moment, I have to say. I'm really pleased with it. It works just brilliantly at picking these sort of, shall I call them, untensionable tubular cores. I don't know what to call them anymore because clearly they can be tensioned, but yeah, I'm really pleased that it has room for improvement for sure, but for all intents and purposes, it's working just fine. Anyway, I'm tensioning it, listen. All come back. So yeah, you can see it picks perfectly well, and even higher security locks. So yeah, there we go. That's I'm going to say it's picked because you need to just repeat it over and over. But that's the Meroni chain lock picked with my new tensioning tool. There you go. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time.